Next up tonight, Bowman Sterling, box break number 23. Oh, it stayed up. We got Angelo M with the Tigers Phillies, Corey S Astros Angels, Daniel S Mets Mariners, Jason L Cubs White Sox, John B Diamondbacks Indians, John G Orioles Pirates, Joey K Red Sox A's, Kyle F Cardinals Rays, Mark B Reds Dodgers, Michael Z Braves Padres, Pete A has the Rockies Marlins, Robert G has the Royals Brewers, and Sean M Twins and Yankees. Let's see. Box topper? It's gonna happen one of these times. Not this time. All right, Matt McGill, rookie for the Dodgers. Taijuan Walker. Billy McKinney, and we already have an orange. Look at this. Oh, man. Jealousy. Mark B. Julio Urias, 37 of 75. Mark B. If you're just going to put that on eBay, email me first. If you're keeping it, then, that's all good. But I would be interested if you are looking to get rid of it. Love me some Julio Urias. Freeman for the A's. To 199. Ryan McMahon. There's a Buxton. Sean M with the Twins. Nice Buxton. And Aaron Blair. Diamondbacks. Yeah, we need to do it. I thought about posting an 8-box case of this too, but we've already got Inception and Draft this week, so I don't know. Maybe I'll push it. Maybe I'll push my Bowman people and see if you guys want to do more. Cole Stewart. Trevor Williams for the Marlins. Eduardo Rodriguez for the Orioles for John G. And a John Denny refractor auto. 38 of 150. Whoops. There's a Will Myers rookie. Oscar Mercado for the Cardinals. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. And Derwin Williams. Devin Williams. 21 of 99. I never remember his name. For the Brew Crew, Robert G with a nice ruby. Oh. Blue Sapphire Springer. Houston Astros, Corey S. George Springer. 9 of 25. That's nice. Oh, I love me some Sterlings. Some Sapphires, I mean. Sapphire Sterlings. Austin for the Yankees. Colin Moran for the Marlins. And a green Hunter Renfroe. Padres. 102 of 125. What are you trying to tell me telepathically? Last pack of the box. Of the break. Reese McGuire for the Pirates. John G. Devin, oh yeah. Dylan Overton for Joey K's A's. And Cord Sandberg for the Phillies. Angelo M. Not numbered. There's Sterling number 23.